Hey, Sophie! Long time no see. How have you been? Hey, Emma. I've been good. Just a bit busy with work and my English practice. English practice! That's new! Are you finally taking it seriously? Oh, yes. I started watching videos from Spoken English course on YouTube. They're actually amazing! Really? I've heard about that channel too. Do they really help? Totally!
The lessons are short, easy, and super clear. I can understand everything without feeling bored.
That's nice. You know, I've always wanted to improve my spoken English too. But every time I start, I get lazy. I used to be the same. But once I started listening daily, I got into the habit. Now I even think in English sometimes. Think in English? Wow. That's the next level. Sophie. Yeah, it's funny at first. I even talk to myself sometimes like, okay, Sophie, let's get ready for work. That's adorable. So, what made you start learning English again? Honestly, at work, we have meetings with clients from other countries. Everyone speaks English so confidently, and I just sit there smiling awkwardly. Oh, I totally get that feeling. I remember in my last job interview, I understood the questions, but I couldn't find the right words to reply. Exactly! That's what I wanted to fix. English isn't just about grammar, it's about confidence. So true. Sometimes I know what to say, but I hesitate. Like, I'm scared I'll make mistakes and sound silly.
Sophia, you know what helps? Stop worrying about mistakes. Even native speakers make them. Just keep talking.
Easier said than done, Sophie. That's what I thought too. But the spoken English course videos really helped me with that. They focus on everyday conversations, like how to talk in a cafe, at work, or even with friends. Oh, really? That sounds perfect for me. I get bored when lessons are too formal. Same here. These lessons are fun. The examples feel like real life. I think I'll check it out tonight. I really want to speak English more naturally. That's the spirit. And you already speak well. You just need to polish your fluency a bit. AW, thanks. But I mix tenses sometimes. Like, I say I didn't saw instead of I didn't see. Don't worry, I've done that too. The more you listen and repeat, the easier it gets. Yeah, repetition is key. My teacher used to say that learning a language is like exercising a muscle. Exactly. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. So, what's your daily routine now? How do you practice?
I watch one lesson from Spoken English course.
Every morning with my coffee. Then I repeat a few phrases aloud.
That's a good habit.
And in the evening, I listen to English podcasts or songs. Music helps a lot. I try to understand the lyrics. Oh yes, songs are fun.
I learned a lot of new words just from Taylor Swift.
Same here. You know, learning English doesn't have to be serious all the time. It can actually be fun. True. I think the biggest problem is that we expect to speak perfectly from day one. Yes, and that's not realistic. We need to accept small mistakes as part of the journey. You're sounding like a real English coach now. Sophie, maybe I should start a channel one day. Sophia's Spoken English Adventures. Why not? You can even collaborate with Spoken English course. That would be amazing. But first, I need to master my own accent. Oh, come on. Your accent's already better than mine. Only because I practice tongue twisters. Tongue twisters. Like she sells seashells on the seashore? Yes. And red lorry. Yellow lorry. It's fun. And it really helps with pronunciation. I'll try that. Actually, I noticed that when I speak slowly and clearly, people understand me better. That's true. It's not about speaking fast. It's about being clear. You know, I used to feel embarrassed about my accent. But now I think it's part of who I am. Exactly. Having an accent just means you speak more than one language. That's something to be proud of. Wow, I love that thought. I'm feeling so motivated now. That is what friends are for, and also what spoken English course is for.
True. I'll start with one video tonight and maybe we can practice together tomorrow.
Deal. We can meet at my place, make some tea, and have an English-only conversation day. Oh, that sounds fun. But I might accidentally slip into my native language.
That's okay.
I'll remind you. Emma, English, please. Deal. And we'll celebrate every time we finish a full conversation in English. Sophie. Yes, maybe with coffee or cake. Definitely cake! Speaking English deserves a reward.
You know, I really like how far we've come.
A few months ago, we were scared to speak even simple sentences. And now look at us, chatting comfortably in English for almost half an hour. That's progress, my friend. Step by step. I guess that's the magic of consistency. Absolutely. Practice a little every day. That's the secret. Thanks, Sophie. Talking to you always makes me feel confident. Same here. We'll keep improving together. One word, one sentence at a time. Deal. And from now on, we'll greet each other in English only. You're on. Let's make spoken English course proud. Yes. Less scrolling, more speaking. That's our new motto. I love it. Okay, now let's order another cup of coffee in English. Of course. Sure. Excuse me, could we get to cappuccinos, please? Perfect. See? You're already sounding fluent, thanks to spoken English course. And my best friend, Sophie. Anytime. Now, let's toast to English, to friendship, and to confidence. Cheers to that.